Good morning, everyone. It's breakfast time. So, I wanted to show you come on. There we go. Got all the food all prepped and ready to go with supplements and everything. And where are the dogs at? They've been out here, hanging out on their place. Now, it's going to be a little sloppy, but I want to show you how we take one dog at a time and bring them over to get on their place. Ollie, your flashlight's on. That's weird. Let's get that ready for just a second. Gotta find Ollie's e-collar. Oh, okay, here we go. There we go. Turn it off. Okay. So, first off, who's being the calmest? We never know. Because they all look like they're calm, but they're really not. Ruby. Good girl. Ollie, lay down. Thank you. Nummy, nummy. So this is a whole ritual. No. No. My hand is still in the bowl. No. Good girl. Break. Okay. That's one down. Millie. Millie. She's the new dog, so I'll go help her. Millie. Come. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Come on, Millie. Ollie, lay down. I can't stand it. I gotta eat. Good boy. Millie. Good girl. Okay, grab her food. Good girl. No. Sit. Took her a little bit of a stare down here. Millie, sit. If they don't sit, what I do is I raise the bowl up. Yes. No. 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 See how she's not looking at me? There you go, good girl. Nope. Nope. Ah. Move your paw. There you go, good girl. Nope. Good girl. Break. Good job. Good job. Bandit. Bandit. Sit. So here's a little variation. If you choose to not have your dog eat in a crate, that's okay, because Bandit doesn't eat in a crate. That doesn't mean that he can't. But you can ask your dog to still sit and be patient and wait for your signal to let him go eat. And he's just about ready to burst out of his skin. He's so hungry. Break. Good job, buddy. Chico. Even the little dogs. Easy. Good job, buddy. Okay. Grab Chico's little bowl. Break. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Alright, last one. You know, if you hadn't broken the command those 2 times, you could have come earlier. Did you learn? Ollie, come. He's like, do I dare? Do I dare? Ollie, good boy. Nice. Come. Yeah. Let's see how graceful you can be getting in, okay? Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. Oh, look how happy. I can't stand it. I'm so hungry. I'm a Labrador. I eat anything. Yeah, good. Very nice. Break. You see the difference in how Ollie... Millie, what are you doing? You are making a mess, girl. You can see the difference in how Ollie approached his food as opposed to how Millie did. So Millie is brand new. I mean, not brand new. She's been through training, but she is brand new to the rules here at Baker's Acres, and especially mealtime. So, you know, she's been here for not quite 24 hours, I think. I can't remember how long. Gosh. Yep, 24 hours. So, anyway, Ollie waited patiently. He gave me the space, so I was able to put his bowl down right away. Millie didn't. So you just, if you wanted to do this and incorporate it into your day, just give your dog time and be patient with them as they learn what you're asking. Okay? Well, that's it. That's breakfast time here at Baker's Acres. Most of the dogs have already finished, the ones that have been eating from the beginning. Look, Chico's done. Bandit's licking every last little morsel and saliva off of his. I gotta make sure it's clean. I'm starving. Ruby's done. Good girl. Millie's still working on hers. So dainty. Dainty but filthy. Look at you. Dropping food all over the place. Alrighty, guys. Yeah, she is kind of scruffy, huh? Millie is adorable. I love the scruffy dogs. Good advice. My dogs do a sit and stay. My husband likes to mess around with them and say random words before saying the break word. That's terrible. Sounds like my husband. Alright, thanks, Jen, for that comment. Alright, guys. Get out and train your dogs. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. You just got to incorporate it into your everyday life. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.